Did you know that the biggest culprit of slow internet speeds isn't always your service provider? There's more to it. Hook. Picture this. You sit down to watch your favorite evening show, and suddenly, your internet speed drops to a snail's pace. Frustrating, right? Setup/context. Let's rewind a bit. Meet our protagonist of today, Alex, your average digital native, who loves gaming, streaming videos, and occasionally working from home. For Alex, the internet is as essential as water. And here's the kicker. Every day at 7 p.m. sharp, Alex's internet slows down. What's happening? Behind this everyday common nuisance lies a rather compelling tale of demand, technology, and human behavior. Setup context. Every evening, millions of homes like Alex's experience a bottleneck in internet speeds. Why? The answer is surprisingly simple: peak usage time. But what exactly does that entail? Ability to simplify complex topics. Welcome to our main content. The science and technology powering our internet connections are striving to keep up with our insatiable appetite for digital content. Imagine roads in a city designed for a specific number of cars. As the city grows but the roads don't, you get traffic jams. Use of analogy. Across the globe, internet service providers allocate a certain bandwidth for users. Think of it as a massive, invisible pipe. At 7 p.m., everyone begins streaming movies, video calling, or playing games simultaneously, pressuring the bandwidth. This period, known as prime time, taxes the system to its limits. Detailed explanation. Now meet Lisa, an internet technician who loves puzzles. Lisa knows that networks aren't just run by robots. It's people like her who are the backbone. Tasks like upgrading servers and dealing with network congestion keep her awake past midnight sometimes. Lisa's goal? To manage a seamless internet experience for everyone, every time. Character introduction. Lisa identifies contention ratio as a major player, the number of users sharing the same data capacity. Lower the contention, faster your internet. Some ISPs provide lower contention at higher prices, but is it worth it? Picture Alex's scenario again. He used to think that upgrading his internet plan was the solution. But Lisa reveals a less-known secret: Wi-Fi interference. If your Wi-Fi sits next to a microwave, a cordless phone, or even a thick wall, its performance drops significantly. Lisa always suggests experimenting by changing Wi-Fi channels or placing the router in more open spaces. Character-driven story. But there's more. Did you know that your device can contribute to slow internet? An outdated software, a virus, or too many background applications can all sap your bandwidth without your knowledge. The conflict arises when Alex joins a remote work meeting, only for his screen to freeze due to slow speeds. In frustration, he calls his ISP. It's Lisa on the other side, who begins with questions before solving problems. Where is your router? What time does it slow down? Conflict characterization. As tension rises, Alex follows Lisa's advice, checks for malware, repositions his router, and switches to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel. Their midnight call unwraps layer after layer of causes for slow speeds. Resolution unfolds when Alex sees a significant boost in his connection speed the next day. The unsung heroes like Lisa don't always get the credit, but they are catalysts of our virtual experiences. Resolution takeaway. Here's your takeaway. Next time your video starts buffering, remember it's not entirely your ISP's fault. From peak times to household gadgets, a variety of factors play a part. Use solutions like repositioning routers, checking device health, and understanding peak times to improve your digital life. Takeaway. So, why is your internet slow at 7 p.m.? Because an entire world clocks out, logs on, and unplugs all at the same time. Now that's food for thought, reiteration conclusion.